This is the best for entry. This is the best for entry.
So if you want to make auto song made from your text, you can go to CapCut application and create new project. Select any background video for that, click add. Now select the text option, add text, and write your desired sentence. Like I have written, this is the best Thor entry scene. Now click OK. You can see an option at the bottom bar, text to speech. Go to text to speech. Now there are many type of option and many type of voice for text to speech. I have already mentioned in another video, but in this video I'm going to show you how to create an auto song. You can see here is an option like kawaii vocalist, kids vocalist, female vocalist. These three options make your text a song. So let's hear it.
This is the best for entry scene. This is the best for entry scene.
This is the best for entry. This is the best for entry. This is the.
So you can see how beautiful the effect is, how amazingly the song has been created automatically from your text. So if this video helped you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.